Hey friends, it's Jenna. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I have not posted a video in quite a while. I honestly think I burned myself out posting a video every single day in January. So I posted a few in February, but honestly I just took a little bit of a break. I wanted to get re-inspired and also spend quite a bit of time working on my business. So if you're new to my channel, I have an online clothing business. I sell full-time on Poshmark and I sell pre-owned inventory. I sell boutique or new inventory as well. So it's a little bit of everything, and I just love documenting my journey on this channel and what I think I'm going to do moving forward. I'm not going to set any expectations because I'm really hard on myself as far as like meeting goals and things like that. So YouTube to me is more of like a creative outlet. It's something that's fun, and obviously it does support my business because any kind of marketing helps you, but in the end it's really just a creative outlet for me. I love connecting with you guys and also just hearing about how my story and sharing my processes can help you out in your journey. So I just want to take this channel as, you know, again, a form of, you know, expression and just, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Basically, I am going to see where this channel takes me, and I'm going to start sharing even more of my life. I want to start doing more vlog type of videos, which is what I'm going to be filming today. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you along on a little day in my life. Right now, I am about to get my day started, and honestly, it's kind of late. It's like 11, I think it's 11 o'clock right now. I slept in a little bit because I'm still struggling with daylight savings time, which was a couple days ago, and I went to bed really late. So yeah, I'm getting my day started a little bit later than normal, but I've packed up my shipping this morning and I'm about to drop that off at the post office, and then I'm going to go sit at a coffee shop for a couple hours. I just need to get away from the distractions at home, and I haven't done this in a while, and I need to work on my taxes. I just have to get everything together. I have an accountant. People always ask me my tax advice or what I do, and honestly I'm not a professional, and I have an accountant I work with, so I'm scheduled to meet with him soon, and I just need to make sure all my ducks are in a row. So I'm about to sit down, drink some coffee, and work on that for a couple hours, and also respond to like some emails and comments and stuff like that. Just a little bit of computer work, and then I'm not exactly sure where my day is going to take me. I do have a few things at home I need to photograph and list, so I'll probably do that, and I might stop in a thrift store while I'm out. There's one that's kind of near the coffee shop I'm going to that I might pop in, so I'll take you guys along obviously on my day, show you what I'm doing. The first little part might be kind of boring. I don't know, I think my life's a little bit boring. It's just, I don't know, all over the place. So hopefully you guys find these vlogs interesting, and let's just go ahead, get our day started, and get going. Okay, what I'm working on first today is analyzing some of my sales reports and just gathering some of my data and information from my sales. I'm actually working on January of 2019, so I'm trying to stay on top of this year, but there's some stuff that I need to do for my boutique sales. So I'm going into down here on the right side, you just select the icon with your username, and I'm going to go to my seller tools, which is right down here. And then I want to select my sales report because I want to request my report for January. So I just select custom range, start date. I'm going to go back to January. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. So we select January 1st. And then I'm going to select my end date, which is January 31st, and then I'm just going to email report, and it just says create the report, and I hit OK, and then it emails me the report in a CSV file so I can analyze the spreadsheet. So what I have on here, I just went ahead and opened up the spreadsheet that they emailed me, and now I'm just like deleting and sorting and organizing columns. I use a MacBook Pro, so I use the numbers spreadsheet. I don't know what to call it. Like basically the numbers is like the Apple version of Excel, so you could use, you know, whatever program you want to open it and then just organize it. And I'm going to analyze some of this data and take down the information I need for my reports. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think plans
would come true. And I've been down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Yeah. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, babo, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Yeah. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, babo, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Oh, life and I ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
I'm about to grab some lunch at just like a little pizza place. I'm not on keto anymore. I decided I just wanted to eat a healthy, balanced diet. I'm gonna be working out more, but yeah, I've just been eating like, I don't know, intuitive eating, I guess, whatever I feel like eating. So I am at a little pizza place and I'm gonna get a slice of pizza and a salad.
Life could be a dream.
Okay, so after lunch I was all set to go home and just like photograph what I already had at home. However, my mom texted me that she was at Goodwill. She had taken some stuff to donate and then of course just had to go in and look, which I don't blame her, I'm the same way, but she texted me that she was finding a bunch of stuff, so she wanted me to come meet her. Sometimes she'll like send pictures to me, but I guess if she was finding a lot of stuff, then she wanted me to just come look. And this is a Goodwill that, I don't know, the last probably 3 or 4 times I've been in it, I haven't found anything. So it just goes to show like you just have to keep looking. So I'm gonna go in and see what she found, and I'll probably look around some myself. And I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera in. I didn't bring a purse today. I only brought my backpack with like my laptop and stuff that I needed at the coffee shop, so I can't bring that in Goodwill. And I don't know, my camera probably won't fit in my pocket, so we'll see. I'll either show you some footage inside or I'll just show you what I get afterwards.
Plans would come true. And I've been down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Okay, so it's a little bit later now. I am back home, changed into some comfy clothes, which is like always the first thing I do when I get back home, but I ended up not getting anything at Goodwill. I met up with my mom. She had a cart full of stuff, and I don't know, I'm just super selective, and some of it I did like the items, but they had flaws, so you have to be really, really careful when looking through items. And I just decided like the flaws that were on those items either weren't fixable or wasn't worth it to fix. But props to my mom, kudos to her for the effort and for trying, and she does find good stuff sometimes, so you just never know what you're gonna find. But yeah, I did not buy anything on that thrift trip, and I did run into a subscriber actually. So Maya, if you're watching this, hey girl, it was nice to meet you. If you guys ever see me out, definitely say hi. I love meeting everyone. But yeah, I am going to now photograph the items that I picked up yesterday. So I picked up some stuff at Goodwill and also a buy-sell trade store. I had taken in some of like my old clothing, my sister's old clothing, stuff that I didn't want to list on Poshmark, just didn't go with like the style of my closet or weren't brands that I typically sell, but I knew they would take at a buy-sell trade store. So what I did, I took that stuff to the store, and while they were looking through it, I shopped around and I found some items. So I picked up a couple different things there, and then I got a bunch of t-shirts at the thrift store. I went to 2 thrift stores, so you'll see most of it as t-shirts as usual. That's what I love selling, and I've just been finding a lot of them lately, but I did find a couple other items as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little mini haul for you before I photograph that stuff and show you, and then probably that's all I'm gonna do tonight is just photograph that stuff. It shouldn't take me too long. I don't think it's very much stuff, so it'll probably just take me like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna list half of it tonight and then half of it tomorrow. Sometimes I'll list it all at once, but I've been trying to be a little more consistent with listing at least one thing every day. I don't know if it necessarily matters. Sometimes I will go like a few days without listing stuff, but back in the day I used to be really consistent listing every single day. So I'm just trying to bring that habit back and just list a little bit more consistently, even if it's just a couple items. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so here's my rack of items, and the first thing is this really cool Pink Floyd graphic tank top. It's kind of a bleached tie-dye finish. I've never heard of this brand, but I bought it based on the style. It's called Rock On. It's a size medium large. And then the next item, this is a brand that I love selling. It's called Trunk LTD. This is a size small, really nice burnout graphic tee. It's John Mellencamp, so it's a band tee. It's also new at tags. I love the finish on this little crop tee. So it's cropped and it's got the raw edge at the bottom. It is Kiss, and this one is a size large. The next two tees I found together, they're very similar, and this is just a California graphic tee. It's got a fun graphic print all over it with all these little California theme items, and this is by J. Crew. It's a size small. I really like their more destination theme t-shirts, and like I said, I found these together. So this one is also J. Crew. It's a size small, and it is San Francisco theme. So again, it's just got this fun kind of travel souvenir style graphics on it. Okay, on to a band shirt, and this is Jack Johnson. It's a V-neck, really soft t-shirt. It does have a slight flaw down here. It's kind of hard to tell. It's really faint. It's just like a little stain. I did wash it, but I'm just gonna sell it as is because I really liked this shirt, and it's a size medium. Okay, this next shirt is a vintage t-shirt. It is super soft and thin. It's got the ringer trim on the sleeves and the collar. This is the tag. You can definitely tell it is vintage Hanes. It's an extra large, and you can barely read the graphic. It says something about a peninsula or Mexico. I don't really know. I need to look at it a little closer. And then another graphic band tee, Led Zeppelin, really soft. It's just a nice blue color, and this one is a size medium. Okay, I found a sweatshirt similar to this pretty recently, and it sold quite fast, so I grabbed this t-shirt. It's just an Obey graphic tee. This is their logo. It's the OG logo. It's kind of like a Gucci inspired style, I guess you could say, and it's a size large. Okay, and then I love this Kors t-shirt. It's just got the nice graphic on the front. It is super soft. It's an XXL, so it's a 2XL. I don't know, I would wear this almost as like a beach cover up. You could also like knot it somehow and wear it with some cutoffs. I think that would be cool. This Johnny Cash style, I pick this up all the time. It's just the classic man in black graphic, and this one is a size medium. Okay, this next shirt is a men's Lucky Brand tee. It is a size large, and it just has this whiskey blues graphic on it. I just thought this was cool. I love anything that's a gray color. I don't know why gray tees do really well for me. Okay, this next t-shirt I picked up based on this graphic. I just thought it was really cool. It says Midnight Mystery, and then it has a wolf howling at the moon, it looks like, and then it says some other stuff down here, and it is from H&M actually. The brand is Divided, and this is a men's shirt. It's a size large, but it's super soft and just, I don't know, really cool look. And then we have a classic Prince graphic tee, and this one is by, it's just the Prince brand. It says it's an extra large. This next t-shirt is actually a vintage t-shirt, and I get asked a lot about how I know if something's vintage. There's a couple different ways. So sometimes under the graphic there might be a date on it. Sometimes you can tell by the tag. This is a Hanes 50/50 tee. It's a size large, but something that I look for that's quick and easy is if the sleeve has a single stitch on it, a single stitch hem. So as you can tell right here, there's just one stitch, and then I'm going to show you this print shirt, which is not vintage. It has a double stitch, so there's 2 lines of stitching, whereas the vintage shirt only has 1. So vintage tees, you can really look for single stitching, and this is just a really cool skyline guitar graphic tee. Okay, this next shirt is something a little bit different. It is just a really funny men's button-down shirt, and it has the Operation board game graphic all over it. It is by Hasbro, and it's from 2001. It doesn't have a size. It measures like a large in my opinion, but yeah, I just thought this was super funny, and like, I don't know, it would be a good shirt for like a doctor or a costume party or something like that, so I went ahead and picked it up. And then the next item I actually bought as a set. So it was this jacket and this pair of pants, and they're matching. However, they're 2 different sizes, so I'm going to list them separately. So it's this Adidas really beautiful print jacket. It is a size small, and it's got like the signature stripes on the sleeves, and then the back of it has the logo. And then the pants do match it perfectly, and they're more of like a track style pant. They have a little bit of a zipper detail at the hem. However, when I looked at the size, these are a medium. So they definitely can be worn together, but since they're different sizes, I'm gonna list them separately, and if someone wants, they can bundle them. And then I found a couple pairs of shorts, and this first pair, I love the distressing on them, and also they're like a longer kind of slouchy fit, but then they go up on the sides. And this brand is 1 Teaspoon, which I do like selling 1 Teaspoon stuff. It's pretty popular. This was actually a collaboration for Free People, so 1 Teaspoon for Free People. And these shorts still sell on the Free People website, maybe like a different wash for $108, so I definitely wanted to pick these up. Okay, and then the last two items are both Madewell. So the first thing are these Madewell cutoff denim shorts. So they just have the raw frayed edge, and they are a size 32. And these also look like they're in practically new condition. So there it is, size 32. Okay, and then the last item, again, this is Madewell, and these are also a size 32. They're actually a 32 tall, so they're a longer inseam. It's just a high-rise distressed skinny jean. They have all this distressing at the knees, and yeah, they're in really good condition. So that's it for my quick little mini haul, and also for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed following along on a day in my life, just seeing again maybe what a not so typical day is like, because honestly every single day is different. I know I say that every single time. Right now, like I mentioned before, I'm just going to photograph and list those items, probably another hour of work, and then I am done for the day. Probably share my closet one more time tonight. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. I promise I will be back sooner with my next video. It won't be another month, and I will see you then. Bye!